some spearmint in here and my chamomile, okay? This has not been dehydrated. And I'll show you guys how you make it. Alright, let me get this in here. Boil some hot water. Pour in your coffee press. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, then, or 4 minutes, whichever. And what I do is I kind of press mine down, kind of let it sit in there, and then you can add honey, you can add sugar, whatever you want, kind of sweeteners you want. Or if you don't want sweetener, you don't have to add sweetener. But that's how I make mine. I'm gonna go ahead and let me grab my cup. And I'm using my lemon cup from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoons. I like mine sweet. I'm out of honey. I hadn't went to the grocery store because we just had some bad weather and our electricity just cut back on. And I just kind of moved mine around a little bit. And one thing about having these coffee presses is you can make your own herb tea. You do not have to have it dehydrated if you're going to use the plants right then. But if you're going to want some during the winter, you dehydrate your chamomile. And I don't have a dehydrator, but one day I will. And I'll show you guys how you dehydrate, put in a sealed jar, put it away, and you'll be able to have chamomile tea anytime during the winter if you can't, grow it during the winter time. Just show you how to store it. And I just kind of move mine around a little bit, up and down, up and down. But you can let it sit longer if you want the flavor a lot more. This is very calming. The chamomile also does take and help for joint pain, swelling in your hands, your feet, your legs. I have found that out. And so I've been kind of using the chamomile and the spearmint to kind of help me some. And it's really good to take it at nighttime. But I'm like this. I'm taking it now because it's storming outside. My bones is hurting. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you guys. Alright, press it all the way down. All the way. Let me make sure. And I start pouring my tea. Plain. Oh, you can smell the peppermint. Oh, well, spearmint. You can actually smell the chamomile. Wow. It smells really, really good. And if you want to add like lemon, you can if you want. Or if you just want chamomile. This is really hot. Guys, this is delicious. Alright guys, that's the simple, easy way to. Now you can take and, because this here, I didn't wait full 5 minutes. You can also just go ahead and pour you some more water. And let this here sit. And the longer you let it sit, the better it gets. But guys, that's how I make my chamomile spearmint tea. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Love you.